This is how we spend our Sundays. This is also day 2 on getting this tree down. That's the wrong one. This poor little tree, man. Weston! Aww. Bought you a $20 toy yesterday. Ow! Bro, ow! As some of you know, we have cows on our land. No! No! These are nice cows. Sometimes I catch myself just cow watching. Pretty peaceful. Okay, time's up. Never really liked this tree, but... Oh! That was my bad. I didn't mean to get in your way there. You know, I just stand here sometimes and I'm just like, maybe I should have got a Shih Tzu. Then I realized Shih Tzus aren't this much fun. That's our Sunday.